We are here on for what program? CTC?
CTC, sir.
You had a session on CTC already?
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is the first session.
No, sir. Yes,
No,
sir.
sir,
This is my first session. No, sir. This is our first session.
Okay.
Sir, it's for both general and analytics, right?
Yeah. What is general?
BBA general. BBA general analytics.
This is for BBA General and Analytics.
We are asking you, sir. Asking you to speak.
You know you already there in the class, right?
Yes, sir. But last class actually we got to know at the end, sir, that it's different classes for both.
Okay.
So we're confirming.
I was
This
given
is
a
for-
No, this is for everyone, sir.
yeah, I was given a timetable in which I am supposed to talk to you on CTC, and then I was added in a group where I'm joining you. Yesterday morning I was supposed to join at 9 o'clock on a session on what was that yesterday morning 9 o'clock, and today morning 9 o'clock you had a session on what?
Business communication, sir.
Yeah, so I will be there with you on two programs. I am there with you for two different papers. One is on business communication and also on CTC, campus to corporate.
But that is taken by Nagu, sir, right?
Yeah, we will share. Actually, there are 4 sessions. Dr. Nazir will talk to you on the English part of it, and I will be talking to you on the logical reasoning and such aptitude, attitude. Good enough?
Yes, sir.
So you are students
Okay,
of
sir.
Dr. Nazir, right?
Yes, sir.
That's wonderful. You like to be my students also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let me see
Yes, sir.
how good you are. So I have two jobs to do. One is business communication, one is your campus or classroom to corporate. You can introduce you, and then you can ask me some question to know who is this person. You had a bridge course.
Yes, sir. We had a bridge course.
In the bridge
Yes, sir.
course, you had something on analytics, something on importance of logical reasoning.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
How come, beta? I am not doing any magic. My computer is perfectly all right. Is it
You
true?
want mine, sir? It's only others unmuting themselves.
Yeah, I think that's only the problem. Now, okay. Is there anybody who want to ask me who am I, or maybe you can tell who are you? So let us know. If
Yes,
not
sir.
for all 63 will not happen, at least for some sample to know. Yeah.
Sir, I wanted to know what is this CTC, sir. I've never heard it before.
Sindhu, you can introduce, I said, first. Can you
Yes,
come?
sir. Yes,
Is
sir.
it possible for you to come to video, Sindhu? Is it possible? Are you in a form? This is Google Meet, so you could come. It's not a WebEx. That's why I prefer this.
Okay, sir.
It will be glad. I'll be glad. If possible, yes. Come on.
Sir, that's visible?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. My name is Sindhu.
Yeah.
Studied my plus 2 from commerce background.
Commerce background means you have done
Economics, accounts, business studies, entrepreneurship,
Yeah.
and English, sir. 5 subjects.
okay, you had no mathematics around you.
No, sir.
Okay, but you know that economics has got a different part where Econometrics is also part of it, right?
Yes, sir. Economics was part of it.
So you are good in maths? You love maths or no?
No, sir. Not really. Okay, I'm fine with it, but not really love it and good.
Okay. Any questions to me to know me? You want to know what is CTC, right?
I want to know. I want to know your education background and stuff.
The CTC is to make you capable of a corporate job. That means you should have all the ability to pass all the tests which they conduct. So one of the normal tests is, other than your communication skill, logical reasoning, analytical skill, quantitative analysis, decision making ability, even to argue on a topic. It is not the content which gives you the ability, it is not the language which gives you the ability, it is how are you going to post it with a lot of logic. Are you capable of sequencing them in the right sense? So that ability is an ability for you to understand any subject, listen to somebody very crucially to catch exact points. How do I check whether you have that ability or not? We may give you figures, we may give you numbers, we may give you a paragraph, then ask you to look at what is the essence of it. For a generic view, assume when you read, this is out of syllabus, out of KLU, what I do. If you look at my title, Dr. TPS, my name is Dr. TPS. Dr. TPS, you can go and look at YouTube. The last posting on YouTube is on how to read newspaper.
Okay.
So when you read newspaper, how do you catch the essence?
Okay.
How are you able to logically analyze and tell today who is going to win
Okay.
in US election? Do I look at only the newspaper, the politics? I know students.
So you have some predictions, sir?
Yeah, that predictions happens much better. That is because I take statistics from my students who are in US, who are good investors. They invest in share markets. So they know which sort of company is being supported by Biden, which sort of company is supported by the present president.
Okay.
So what do? They plan tomorrow, if the president is this person, the share is going to be this.
Okay.
So they start investing 1 week early based on their computations and analysis. So share market is one to understand the politics of America.
Okay.
So these are all different aspects. So understand, it is not learning alone, it is also to analyze the whole world around you.
Yeah.
If you don't understand the world around you, probably you don't understand. You know who is the best share market person who had in India? He is not there now. Who controlled the share markets of India once upon a time?
Harshad Mehta.
Wonderful. Have you seen the movie of Harshad Mehta?
No, sir, no, I haven't.
As a person who is studying business, you must look at two good movies. One is on Harshad Mehta, that's available on Sony. I just watched last week. And the another one is the Three Bad Boys Billionaires. One is Sahara, another one is Vijay Mallya. Then third one. Any guess? Huh?
Sir, what about Bazaar on Netflix?
Yeah, there are plenty of movies. Assume that you want to know, there are plenty of movies. I am only talking about the Indian market, which is recently released movie. So understanding everything is logical. So you can critically analyze something, understand the logic behind it, how people work. If you know how that happens, you know how to read, how to understand mathematics, you also know how to study any subject. All the subjects are equal for me because it's only logic and two languages. There are two languages in the world. One language is your mother tongue or other tongue, and the other language is mathematics. So if you don't like, probably you must start loving it from now.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. Anybody else? Anybody else? Nobody? You don't want to talk to me at all? Come on, ask me a few questions. Somebody asked on CTC. Somebody asked on, I'm sure you are thorough with the business communication.
Sir.
Yeah. Lokesh. Lokesh? Yeah. Tell me, Lokesh.
Are you from sir?
Pardon? Yeah. Pardon?
He knows where are you from.
I'm now in Hyderabad. I stay very close to Secunderabad. Do you know Bowenpalli Sikh village?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm there for last maybe 30 years in Hyderabad. I'm new to KL University. I joined 3 months back. I joined in August, September, October. It's only 3 months in KL. Where are you from, Lokesh?
I'm from AP, sir.
Madhya Pradesh,
AP, sir, not MP.
Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
For me, AP is Arunachal Pradesh also. Okay, Andhra Pradesh. Where are you in Andhra Pradesh?
I'm from East Goa, sir. My native is.
East Godavari. Yeah, good. Kakinada is close to that.
Yes, sir, yeah.
Yeah, I was there in Ashram Public School maybe 3-4 days with my workshop for students, teachers, and parents. I keep roaming around the world.
Okay.
Today, November 4th, 2018, I was in US giving a talk on compassion.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, Ashish.
Sir, my name is Ashish, sir. How are you?
Enjoying beta, always.
Yeah, so as you said, you watched the Harsh Mehta series recently, sir.
Yeah.
So what do you think his business strategies could be? What he was doing, do you think he's gone in the right way or wrong way? According
See,
to you.
See, there are three things which makes anybody to perform anything. This is my theory, Dr. TPS theory.
Yes, sir.
The first one is your skill. Second is your opportunity. Third one is your attitude.
Yes, sir.
Probably skill and opportunity Harshat Mehta used very well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But his attitude was not very good.
Sir, congratulations.
Pardon?
What was that? Did you some other disturbance?
I think I muted him. I don't want forcefully mute anyone because I believe in students talking. But if it is becoming disturbance, I can mute him. No problem.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ashish, where are you from, beta?
I'm from Tirmalgiri, sir, Hyderabad.
I stay very close to you, 6 kilometers, maybe 2-3 kilometers away.
Sir, I know, sir.
AWHO colony, Sikh village. There is a small office called ADRIN, Adrin.
Okay.
I stay in its quarters.
Oh, okay, sir.
Adrin was my office. I was a space scientist. I took retirement.
Oh.
So I retired from this office. Tirumalagiri was my place which I used to travel when I used to travel from Sikh village to Safalguda.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how did you become a CTC teacher from space scientist, sir?
That God decides what you have to be. I am an MBA, my dear.
Oh,
My subject
Sir,
is
will you
my
specialize
my
in-
subject is knowledge management.
okay.
Sir, can we have a brief about your whole career?
You have to, all of you must go and search Dr. TPS on internet. Use my telephone number. Use the short form DRTPS. I was a professor of MBA, talking most of your subjects. I started teaching bookkeeping and accountancy. Probably your parents would not have taken birth that time. 1981. And my PhD is mathematics. I'm a fluid mechanics man. Yeah, somebody
Sir.
asked. Yeah,
So much in life, sir.
yeah. Tell me, somebody asked something. Who is that, beta?
Sir, hello sir, it's me Kavya.
Yeah, Kavya, tell me.
So may I know your education background?
I'm
the
an
whole
MSc, MPhil, PhD, LLB, MBA, MS, and MA philosophy half.
Sir, I think the the bio background is the only thing you left out.
Biology I study because MS was in psychotherapy and counseling. So I have to learn a lot of anatomy, I have to learn pharmacology, and I am basically from an Ayurvedic family. So I understand the pulse of people very well.
That's great, sir.
I must have
Also
taught
great, sir.
I must have taught more than 10 lakhs of students like you, and maybe more than 7 lakhs of teachers in my life.
Yeah, that's sir. We're glad to meet you.
Now, shall I give you some small problem to check you are with me and what I am supposed to do with how much effort I will have to take to get you onto my line? In
Okay, sir.
terms of, you don't have to worry, do it very, very casually, but this is only to get an intro of you and your taste of you and little mathematics to understand your logic. There is a link given. Are you able to click onto that on the chat box?
Yes, sir.
I think the next 10 minutes is more than enough. So we will have another, now it is 34, by 44, 45 we can finish 10 to 11 minutes. Then we will have another 6-7 minutes for discussion. This will give me an idea about the whole bunch of people who are all interacting with me. And be free any point of time, Dr. TPS. You can call me to learn in case if you are having any problem with any subjects. Whenever you see my YouTube, comment there so that I know which student looked at what. And probably also mention BBA KLU so that I know who are my students who are following me.
What we have to do, sir?
There is a link given, you can click. Is it you are able to access that?
Yes, sir.
Then answer them. That's good enough. Did it say that KLH BBA warm up?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is just a warm up program.
Name and all you have to fill it.
Yeah, I am asking some information. This also will make sure that you are with me on, and this can be used subsequently. Similar formats of communicating or asking questions or creating test paper to understand all that. This is only a check for that, and how fast you are in logical reasoning.
Sir, are you going to check all this personally?
I have sufficient time, but I am a retired person. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
And guarantee. Pranavi asked that question, right?
Yes, sir.
Pranavi, send me a WhatsApp. You will get a reply immediately.
Okay, sir. I trust you, bro.
Even including the time when I am in session, my phone is active parallelly. I will send you reply. Check.
What is BBA? What do you have to write there?
What is BBA?
It is given. What do you have to write there?
You write whatever you feel. That shows how logically you look at a question.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry, my dear. I told you very casual. You write whatever stuff you want.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Who is that, my dear?
Good morning, sir. This is Alka Panda.
Alka. Yeah. Tell me, Alka.
Sir, I was unable to hear your voice, sir, due to some network issues. So, what task have you given, sir? Can you please repeat it
On
again?
the chat box, there is a link, my dear. You just click there and start filling it up.
Oh, yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Will be there.
Where are you from, Alka?
Sir, I am from Odisha.
Orissa, and you are where in Orissa? Which place?
Sir, it's near Bhubaneswar, sir.
Okay, near Bhubaneswar. You just click on that link, if no problem.
Sir, I'm not getting your voice.
You just click on that link and then answer.
Okay, sir. We'll be doing it, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Hello, sir.
Namaste. Tell me.
Good morning, sir. This is Shruti.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir, there's a question. What are you good at? Strength. I mean, we have to write our strength.
Yeah.
Or what are we good
What
at?
are you good at? What do you think you are good at?
Okay, I'll write it there, sir.
You are good at eating, good at traveling, good at studies, good at movie, good at acting, anything you can write. Good at loving people, good at home, good in the society, good at as an individual, good in a group, good in politics, good in administration, good in business, good in cooking.
Yeah, sir. Okay, got it, sir.
Anything you want. Actually, I'm not supposed to give you a clue, but there is confusion. I thought I should clear it. Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Sir, I'm Narendra.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the 3 by 4 and 1 by 8?
There is something in between one signal that's called a minus.
Yeah. What do we have to do, sir?
Do whatever you feel. What does it communicate to you?
Excuse me.
Sir,
3 by 4 by 1 by 8. 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 8. 3 divided by 4 divided by 1 divided by 8. Don't answer in the chat box. You have a column there where you can answer. Pavan want to help everybody. It's good. Nice. No problem. If it is wrong, then everybody will copy. That also can be wrong. I told you I want you to look at small, simple mathematics, because mathematics is logic.
Submitted.
I'll make you to understand sometime logic is not as simple as you think. And once you understand logic, probably you understand everything. It's as simple as that.
Submitted.
Yeah, good, wonderful.
Before where you have worked, sir?
I was with different places. I worked with the Space Department for long years, 20 years. So I'm a pensioner. I took my volunteer retirement from Department of Space. Then I was with the university for the teachers training program. There is an organization called Academic Staff College. So I was director for Academic Staff College. I'm a native of Kerala. So I was in Kerala as an Academic Staff College under University Grants Commission. And then I was with the Prime Minister's office. You know Manmohan Singh, right?
Yes.
I was in his office. I was deputy director. That was intelligence job. You know what is RANW raw?
Raw, yes.
Yeah, I retired from RANW raw.
Oh,
Military Intelligence, Director General of Security. That was my last posting in the Government of India.
so great.
Then I was Executive Director of an engineering college. I also worked under Corporate Social Responsibility, CSR. You can see that program under my YouTube, Dr. TPS icon. Icon means focus and look at it very closely. So you look at icon Dr. TPS, you will know what I have done.
Native place, sir. What is your native place?
I am from, now it must be Hyderabad because I am here for last 30 years, 31 years now. I came in 1989 to Hyderabad. Otherwise from Kerala.
Okay.
Sir, from then you're staying in Canada itself, sir? From 1989?
Where?
So from 1989 you're staying in Sikh village only.
My office was in GD Metla for a year. Then we shifted to Sikh village. So I worked here around Sikh village 20 years. But then I own my house in Malkajgiri.
Okay, okay, sir.
But now I am staying in my wife owns a quarters here. My wife is a senior scientist in Space Department. So I am staying in the government quarters.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
We live in Bhopal.
Should I guess that you were from Kerala?
I am from Kerala. I am from. Huh?
No, I guessed it earlier that you were from there.
Why?
Yeah, that. How can I say why? Because I have been with
Lot of.
Malayalam people.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
I am proud to be a Keralite. I own one of the oldest houses in my district, nearly 200-year-old house, and I conduct a lot of personality development programs in my small village. You can look at two programs. One is called Jnanam, Jnaanam. Jnanam means knowledge. So there I do a lot of academic programs, educational programs for children development, creating them towards civil service. So I have a lot of children who are aspirants of civil service under me. And in Malkajgiri house, I used to conduct a program called Shiksha. Shiksha means education, holiday program. Holidays teaching students in my house. Do you generally use WhatsApp or Telegram?
Yes, sir. Both, sir.
Both, because I was added in both groups, BBA WhatsApp group and Telegram group. Which is preferable for you?
WhatsApp. Anything, sir. WhatsApp.
Okay, fine, good.
Sir,
Yeah.
hello.
Tell me, Akhila.
Sir, third one, what's qualification year subjects
Yeah,
and university?
which you must have done +2 or state syllabus or maybe with different subjects. So I just wanted those subjects and which year.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Maybe somebody would have tried something else and then came and joined BBA. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
If you are sending WhatsApp message, I got some WhatsApp message. Probably you must write if you are a BBA student under me, because I keep getting hundreds of messages. Enjoy every moment.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, dears.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. I really
Thank
you, sir.
I really adore you, sir. Have a nice
God
day,
bless you. God bless you, my dear children.
Sir, you are also a great professor.
Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy learning. LIFE. All my books are live. You can download my books from internet, my website. And that's all about LIFE,
sir.
life.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Sir, you from Hyderabad?
I stay in Hyderabad, Bovenpalli,
Okay, sir.
Sekulage. Who is
Okay.
Akhila?
Yes, sir.
Akhila, where do you stay, Akhila?
Sir,
Where are you?
repeat, sir, again.
Where are you?
I am from Lingampalli.
Lingampalli, yeah, close to HCU, Hyderabad Central University.
Hello, sir?
Hyderabad Central University area, right?
Yeah, sir.
Institute of Immunology.
Mm.
There is some school where I came. Vidyanjali, some school, yeah.
Now, Hyderabad University.
Yeah, good.
Gachibowli.
Gachibowli, yeah. What did you study, Akhila, for your +1, +2?
Chandanagar, sir.
Preeti?
Sir, I'm from Hyderabad.
Where, beta?
Sir, Chandanagar.
Okay, yeah, you told me.